How to convert a Facebook profile to a business page. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. So in the recent update, Facebook has removed the feature to convert your Facebook profile to a business page. But instead, you can make your Facebook profile look more like a Facebook page. So to do that, first of all open up your Facebook application. Now tap on the three lines and go to settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. Now scroll down a bit. Now tap on how people find and contact you. Now next to who can send you friend requests, select friends of friends. Now next to who can see your friend list, select only me. Now go back. Now go to followers and public content. Now next to who can follow me, select public. Now next to who can see your followers on your timeline, select public. Now go back. Now tap on your profile. Tap on the three dots and select view as. As you can see, we have added follow button on your profile. Now to make it more professional, tap on the three dots and select turn on professional mode. Now tap on turn on. Now manage the settings according to your need and go back. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.